Welcome to Too Much Life YouTube channel. Hello, I am your host from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and I'm here to show you an unboxing and a review of the LashLiner system. This is what the package looked like when it came in the mail. I ordered my LashLiner system on May 16th, 2019, all the way from Everett, Washington. It arrived to Edmonton, Alberta, Canada by May 22nd. There are 7 different eyelash styles to choose from, and I chose Las Vegas Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash Kit. The kit cost me $55 US and $11 in shipping, which totaled to $66 US, which converted to $92.18 Canadian. Of course, on their website, LashLiner.com, you can buy the magnetic eyeliner and the magnetic eyelashes separately for a cheaper price. As soon as I ordered it on May 16th, the LashLiner system provided me with a tracking code using USPS courier. So this is what it looked like inside the package. So the 7 gorgeous lash styles that they have includes Portland, Seattle, Los Angeles, Chicago, Nashville, Dallas, Las Vegas. So as you can see, the Las Vegas one that I chose is 7 millimeters to 14.5 millimeters in length. So LashLiner system claims to be cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, latex-free, and paraben-free. This is what Las Vegas looked like up close. So some quick tips. First, start with clean, dry lids. You can use LashLiner over non-greasy cosmetics like other liquid eyeliner or eyeshadow. Second, use an eye makeup primer for best results. Third, use 2 coats of magnetic eyeliner to add magnetism. Fourth, start with the inner corner of the lashes. And fifth, do not use magnetic tweezers. The lashes are synthetic fibers, and the eyeliner ingredients include acrylates, copolymer, water, phenoxyethanol, SD alcohol, and iron oxide. How to apply your LashLiner lashes. So first, allow to dry for 1 to 2 minutes until the liner is not wet, but is just a little tacky to the touch. This is what it looked like on my eyes. Second, gently hold the lash with the magnets toward the eyeliner to magnetically connect the lashes to the eyeliner. Third, once the lash is in the position you like, gently push down on the lash to firmly hold it in place. Fourth, when dry, the lashes are not as repositionable and you will need to touch up the liner if you take them off and put them back on. How many uses? You can reuse these lashes up to 30 times. Remove mascara or makeup from the lashes in between each use. The eyeliner contains enough product for at least 30 to 50 applications. So here is what I really thought about it. This is my honest review. So I felt that it was extremely expensive to spend on lashes, so I figured I'd buy the most dramatic one. Why should I spend all of this money to look natural, right? I love the drama on my lashes. So second, for the ease of use, convenience, and speed, I believe that it was well worth the money that I spent. I'm extremely happy with my purchase because it was extremely easy to put on since the eyeliner and the eyelashes magnetized to each other, so it was an extremely easy and fast process. Third, the dramatic Las Vegas lashes that I chose, which were the thickest and longest ones out of the 7 styles, were kind of heavy on the eyes. So when I went to a business meeting, my eyes were starting to fall asleep as I started to feel their weight a little bit. But because this is kind of more of my style, so I'd stick to the Las Vegas style no matter what. The best way to use the LashLiner system is as follows, which I figured later. Because of the fact that the eyeliner applicator that comes with this kit comes with a soft and tiny tip, it's best that you first apply the eyeliner that you're normally used to wearing. Hence, I first applied on my eyelids the Maybelline eyeliner gel in Blackest Black using the eyeliner brush that it came with. Second, once that's dried, I then apply the LashLiner eyeliner. I basically add the second coat of eyeliner onto my first one. Third, I then place my magnetic eyelashes on top of my magnetic eyeliner and allow them to magnetize to each other. Caution: if you mess up your application, it's easy to simply put more product or magnetic eyeliner on your lids. However, don't do this too much, as too much product will cause too much buildup on the magnetic eyelashes, which will prevent the magnetic eyelashes from magnetizing effectively onto the magnetic eyeliner. Or you can easily wash the excess product off, dry it, and start over. Obviously, as you can already tell, this happened to me. But practice makes perfect. In the end, this is still the best and the most convenient lash kit in the market as we speak. I love putting on lashes now, and I can even do it every day if I wanted to, because this lash kit makes it extremely easy and extremely fast to get it done in the most beautiful and most dramatic way. So, beautiful reminders. Beauty in things exists in the mind which contemplates them, and that is why there's nothing that makes a woman more beautiful than the belief that she is beautiful. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself, and it's the moment you can appreciate yourself. It means being comfortable and confident in your own skin, because you've only got one, and it's the most beautiful thing you can wear is your confidence. Remember that beauty isn't about having a pretty face. It's about having a brilliant mind, a kind heart, and a good soul. Let the beauty of what you love be what you do. So be the reason that someone smiles today. Smile. Happy looks good on everyone. The happier you are, the more beautiful you become. Remember that beauty is power and a smile is its sword. Thank you for tuning in. We truly appreciate you. Please like and subscribe to Too Much Life. Here are our social media accounts. You can find us on YouTube, Too Much Life, Instagram, toomuchlifebiz, and our business email is toomuchlifebiz@gmail.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.